Hi everybody and welcome to day 11. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. My day is much better than my yesterday. Let's get to unboxing day 11 of the number 7 12 Days of Beauty. Oh, second last day, Jason.
It's disappointing.
I know.
These will be some really nice gifts.
I hope so.
I hope so.
So, what have we got today? Thinking of mascara. We have got an exceptional definition, nutrient-enriched mascara. It's a good day.
Yeah.
It's our first mascara.
It is. I was just
bottle green.
When the light hits it.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Oh look, I started decorating my tree. Finally, it's got a nice spoolie. Definitely will try that out. Next up is our 12-day Revolution Makeup box. Only one left in here now too. What did we get? A Mattifying Primer.
What's that mean?
Oh, it's a silky smooth primer to mattify the skin and create a perfect base. Apply to clean, dry skin before makeup. So it makes like foundation. No, it makes like a layer for your foundation, so it doesn't sink into your pores.
So it's a pre-foundation?
Yeah, it's like it doesn't have any color to it usually. So that is what it looks like. Oh.
Does it have color?
No, it's just.
Oh, there's not much in the TV. Oh, it's clear.
I told you it would be. It was just clear. Just makes a nice. See, it makes a nice smooth surface. Like, feel that.
Well, you just rubbed a bunch of lotion on there. Of course it's going to feel good. Feels good anyways. So
rub a bunch of lotion on anything. Yeah. Oh, inappropriateness. Day 11 of the Revolution Makeup 24-day calendar. My nose is very itchy today. I'm sorry.
It's not on that page.
Well, that's weird.
Go back
12,
13, 14. Yeah.
Why would it be on? Oh, weird. It's the first one on this side. Oh. I figured they divvied it up 12 on one side and 12 on the other.
Mix it up just a little bit.
Oh, another lip color. Mix it up just a tiny little bit. So we have got another amazing lipstick in the shade Crush.
It's dark.
It's very nice. Like dusty rose pink?
Dark pink, yeah.
Yeah. I like that. I'm not gonna. I just touched up my lip.
Dusty rose. Is that a song?
No, that's like Every Rose Has Its Thorn.
I think I just created a song. Well, the first two words of one anyway.
Well, you're almost done then.
Yeah.
Next up, Love Lust Disco Box from NYX. And here is day 11. Does it open? I can't see. Oh, oh, we got another lip color. It's a good day. It's a good day so far.
It's a good day for lips.
It's a good day for lips. Stick up on the lip. I amused myself.
Pen's right there.
I know, but I was going to try and get it out normal style. I got chubby little fingers. Oh, okay. I'll use your little tip. There we go. What have we got today? That is a very dark color. NYX Liquid Suede Metallic Matte in the shade Biker Babe.
Yeah, I was just going to say it's going to have a saucy little name on it.
So saucy. They have good names for these products. Okay, I'm going to... Oh, maybe this one will open easily. That'll be the first one that opens easily.
Didn't work.
Didn't work.
Oh, it didn't work. Yeah.
I mean, maybe people like watching me struggle.
Yeah. Maybe you better pause and then start again.
I refuse to. Everybody needs to understand that beauty is hate. Alright, I'll be right back. It open. Look, it kind of matches my No, not really.
It's lighter than your sweater, but it's going to be dark on your lips.
Let's give it a little swatch. Oh, that's nice. I like NYX lip colors because they tend to stay at least until lunchtime. It's a nice, rich, shimmery metallic. It's a nice Christmas color too. Our last box of the day, as always, Glossybox, day 11, yes? Here's day 11, it's down here. Here's day number 11, it's very, very light box today. Oh, something gold. So this is a Winkie Lux Unibrow Universal Brow Pencil. Perfect.
A brow pencil.
So on one side we've got a spoolie. I don't have a lot of these. I like the color though.
Isn't it funny that it's unibrow?
And then it's a retractable.
Sorry.
Sharp edge tip. What were you saying, my love?
It's actually called Unibrow, the Universal Eyebrow Pencil.
Yes, that's why I said unibrow.
Oh, did you? Sorry.
Okay, let's give it a little swatch. So it's a nice, you know, apply more. It gets darker, so that's, you can't really see that. So that's with more pressure. So that should suit my eyebrows very nicely. Give them a little groom. And then I can shellac them down with that stuff I got. Apparently I didn't give Jason enough laughter for his unibrow comment. So
okay.
that wasn't very sincere. Okay, so I've Winkie Lux Unibrow. I'm gonna guess it is $18.
That was a good guess.
Was it?
Yep, you're a little high.
Oh, really?
It's 16.
Mm-hmm. Tell me about it.
It's a spoolie and a pencil all in one.
Mm-hmm.
This eyebrow tool will be your new best friend this holiday season. This duo will give you definitive, perfect brows every time. Sorry,
Jason, but apparently I'm replacing you as my best friend with this.
Yes.
That's what the package says.
Oh,
okay.
Nice. Wow.
So, $16?
Yes.
Oh. You know, I love when stuff is worth so much more than $16.
You've got a lot of it, though.
I know, that's true.
Yeah.
Day 11 favorites. Let's see. I'm going to go with the NYX lip color. And then the Revolution lip color. And then the brow, unibrow.
That mascara should be higher.
And then the mascara. What?
I think that mascara should be higher. That's the first time you got one.
I know, but I have so many mascaras.
Do you?
Yeah.
Hmm.
And then the primer. As always, I'd like to thank everyone for joining me on this lovely series of never-ending videos. Someday they will be done. I don't know how I'm going to do Christmas Eve because I have to work, and then it's my sister's birthday. And
What's it take, 10 minutes? It's fine.
Well, it takes like 20 minutes. And she's apparently more important than me. So, love you, salad. And yeah, I hope everyone has a great day. Hope you are loving these videos and my fabulous husband's commentary. And if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, it would mean so very much to me. I hope you have a great day. Bye.